Hello folks, John here at E.C.D Auto Design in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I want to bring out to you the latest and most exciting from E.C.D during the month of March. Now we start off with Project Roadster, which is an amazing Defender 110, specially fitted with a Roadster Shop chassis, engineered for this particular vehicle with a 3-inch lift, oversized wheels and tires that looks like nothing else would ever built before. Then we jump into Project 2025 Fastback 001, an amazing Mustang Fastback from 1967, finished up in pepper gray exterior, black interior, and a very striking look altogether. To make the mix of vehicles even more interesting this month, we added an Ineos Grenadier, green body, white top, black accents throughout, accessorized with Chelsea truck components, definitely taking the Grenadier to the next level. And lastly, we saw Project Mariana, which is a Range Rover Classic painted in Mariana black with tan interior, a very traditional look with clean lines, no frills, but an absolute well-balanced Range Rover Classic. Now in our feature articles this month, you'll find our blog talking about transparency in the high-end restoration build market, and also what factory fit and finish really means in 2026. On our highlight videos of the month, we show our latest Defender time-lapse, where you can see all the key moments and insights from the vehicle start to finish, going to our production line. Definitely a must-watch. And then we talk about our trim levels and how at E.C.D, we offer several options for folks to choose from and find the right E.C.D build for their lifestyle. By the way, please remember that we offer on-site test drives and facility tours for those folks in the area that would like to come see us here in Kissimmee. Love the opportunity for you to see how these amazing vehicles come together and understand better the E.C.D culture. We'll welcome everyone out to a Car Some Coffee hosted by E.C.D, get a personalized tour, see some amazing vehicles and the latest projects from E.C.D. And don't forget that you can always watch our vehicles being built in real time through our YouTube live channel. Something new is coming to E.C.D, and the drive is impeccably nostalgic. It's fun, it's a 70s kind of classic. You can also expect to see a new range of premium services by E.C.D, from the finishes you see to the details you feel. Everything's evolving, and we're excited to show you what's next. Stay tuned to see more on this later this month. Be sure to follow us on all social media channels at E.C.D Auto Design.